What if I tell you can start a business with zero money, like literally zero? That sounds crazy, right? Today, I'm going to show you real way people are doing it right now and how you can start this business today. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because number three is the most easiest way to start a business without capital, without a big shop, without a big plaza, just only yourself. Number one, we have use what you already have. Yes, most people think you need a big capital to start a business. That is a very big lie. Look around you right now. What do you have? You have something that matter. You have your phone, you have your internet, you have your skill. These three things is okay for you to start a business in this year with no stress. You can start with things like graphic designer, video editor, or help people run their social media app. Yes, you can use your phone to do it. Do you believe that your phone is the biggest tools you have? You can use your phone to do many things. Yes, you can also use your phone to start a social media content creation. All these things, you don't need a big capital. With zero capital, you can start it in this year. Yes. For example, you can use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube to manage people media. Yes, do you agree with me that all these things people will still pay you? Do you manage people page where they will pay you? Yes, if you manage the content, the business where in online, people will actually pay you. With this social media management, you don't need a big capital to start it in this year. All you need is your page and your phone and most especially your internet. You are free to go into this business in this year. You find out that starting a business in this year is not too much hard like that. If you did not break a bank, you will not start a business. That's a lie. You can use your phone to start making money in online. Social media management is the number one of them. You can start in this year just only with your phone. Number two, we have learn fast and earn fast. Yes, you don't need a years to learn a skill. Like concerning this skill, the only thing you just need a few days or a few weeks to get started. You will not take all the whole year, like 2 years, 3 years to learn a skill. No, you can use only a week to learn it and you will achieve your success once you are done of it. Like concerning this skill, the only thing you need to know is to pick one skill and practice it quickly and start offering it. Yeah, there's so many things you can learn in online, like copywriting, graphic designer, how to design a logo, even video editor. You can still learn it. The best thing once you learn it, don't wait to start offering it. Yes, post it in your platform and guess what, all those people that need logo from the business, they will start paying you. This one you find out that there is no big money before you can start this business. Yes, just only your phone, you are free to go about this business in this year. Do you believe that concerning this skill, even if you are not perfect, people will still pay you? Yes, people will pay you a lot, most especially logo. You know, logo business moves smoothly now. If you know how to design a logo, this business is here for you and start offering it right now if you are done of your learning and you will make a lot concerning this business in this year. Number three, we have sell without holding anything. This is called sell other people products. Yes, you can use your phone to sell many things, to do many things without holding anything for yourself, and you are still going to make a lot concerning it in this year. You can start this business like promote products in online or help businesses find customer in online. This is called affiliate marketing.